Most hotels produce and dispose large volume of waste on a daily basis. At Pan Pacific Hotels Group, we are planning to minimize the waste generated in our operations. Our group is keen to develop partnerships to expand our network of sustainable technology. We have journeyed with NEA INCUBATE programs since November 2019. This enables us to trial innovative technology in the low-risk environment. Through the program, we have installed a food waste digester system that can transfer food waste automatically. The food waste is then treated to produce grey water that can be used for general washing in our hotels. We are exploring the use of artificial intelligence to understand the consumption patterns of our guests. This data will be used to reduce food waste by tailoring the menus at our restaurants and improving the accuracy of our food procurement. In the long term, we want to empower our guests to make informed decisions on their consumption habits and needs. This will help to minimize waste. Pan Pacific Hotels Group is pleased to partner NEA on this journey of innovation and sustainability. I believe our stakeholders and staff are seeing the improvement which have made their work meaningful.